Hey, to use Equalizer on the JBL Vibe Beam, first of all you will have to open the JBL headphones application. Next you will have to go for the Equalizer, and now to turn it on, click on the switcher. As you can see, we can find four default presets, but also we can create custom preset by tapping on the plus icon. Now we can move this and change frequencies. If you want to save this kind of the preset, you can even set the custom name by clicking here. Then tap save, and it will be visible right here. You can actually create the multiple presets if you want. And now you can simply change between them, or if you want to delete, click on this icon and tap remove. That's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.